Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Shariq and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Thursday. I know I still sound a little stuffy. I did get tested. You know, people can't have the common cold no more, girl, because everybody think you contagious and you just, you know what I'm saying, you walk around with the corona, okay? But I did get tested and I'm good. I just have a cold. So I have been taking everything, my ginger shots, my teas, my everything. So I feel a lot better than I sound. So thank you for your concern. I know somebody gonna say, well, you should do this and you should take this, and I'm good, boo. Thank you. Thank you. So today is just a really chill day. I really don't want to do too much today. I just want to try to kind of rest a little bit so I can kind of get back to myself. I hate sounding like this. It sounds ridiculous. So every time I talk to somebody, everybody like, oof. I did go to the mall yesterday. Forever 21 is doing a collaboration with, I think, like 3 creators. So they had like a whole little section for Black History Month. They had like a lot of cool little shirts and stuff like that. So I did purchase one of their shirts. Let me show you. I'm actually gonna wear it today. Let me show y'all. So matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on because I'm on my way out the door. My little sister is here, so we have to run a few errands. I need to take her to a couple of stores. I bought some pants from Target that I need to take back because I don't really like the way that they fit. I'm trying to find like a boyfriend jean that fits kind of baggy, which is really hard for me to find because I have big legs. So it won't fit around the waist, but it's kind of tight on my thighs. I went like 2 sizes up and I still don't like the way that they look. So I've been trying to look for that style jean for a very long time. Y'all know I've told y'all before that I wanted to find, like, you know, the loose fitting jean that still looks really cute. And every time I buy a pair, I bought a pair from Forever 21. I tried a pair from, this is actually my 3rd time trying a pair from Target, and I can't get it. So I'm gonna show you guys the shirt because I'm getting ready to put it on anyway. And then I need to run to Target to take those jeans back, and then we're gonna go to Forever 21. I might vlog in Target just to see if they have some new decor or if they still rocking with the same stuff. Y'all like my hair? This is my old unit that I had a while ago, and I just washed it, so it's not my curly hair that everybody loves. I didn't cut it. This is just a short bob unit that I had a while ago. It's still wet. So yeah, I don't even remember where I got this wig from, child. I really don't, because I've had it that long, but it's cute. I like it. Okay, y'all, so here is the shirt right here that I chose. And like I said, Forever 21 did a collaboration with 3 Black creators for Black History Month. So you guys go check out your local Forever 21 and support those creators, because that is an accomplishment. And yeah, this is the one that I chose. It's really nice. I know it looks a little dark, but this is the top right here. And I just paired it with some shorts and my little slides. So yeah, I am on my way out the door. Y'all, here's the jeans that I'm taking back to Target. So they're the boyfriend style Levi's, and they cuff at the bottom. They're really cute, but they just don't fit the way that I want them to fit. So they're a little tight around my thighs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these back, and I might try another size. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Y'all pray for me, child. right, y'all, we're in TJ Maxx because my little sister is looking for a shirt. Now look at her braids. They're so pretty. They're real long too. This is what she's looking for.
No,
not these, not those. She's looking for these to just wear because it has like the polo sign at the bottom. They're $19. That's the kind.
You think I could fit a medium in there? Cause you know Mary.
I don't know. I still get large, even when I, you know, depending on how you want it to fit. So if you want it to fit loose,
Yeah.
then what size is that?
That's large.
See if they have any cute pieces. Oh, look at this. It's like a cute little water pot. I have one of these already though. It's $9.99. So cute. Because mine is a little bigger than this one. But it's so cute. They have 3 of them. Really cute.
Yeah, I just had one. I like these. These are cute.
Show the camera. Little juicy sandals. Those are cute.
What did you think I should do?
That's your favorite thing to ask me. Which one I think? Which one you like? You got to get what you like. Now I'm gonna get this foot mask. They have a few other ones down here. I think this one is like a peeling one. Y'all know I love doing this, so let's see, should I try this one? I don't know, because I don't want my feet to peel. Okay. Y'all ever used one of these before? How many of y'all remember this from back in the day? Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. We're back in the car. Let me show y'all really quick what I picked up. Well, I think I showed y'all in here already, but I picked up some polo boxers. Let me look to see if this is the right size. Because if it's not, then I'm going to take it back while I'm here. See if I can fit in these. Oh, I should be able to fit in these. Yeah. So this is how they look. I know I'm not the only one that like to lounge around in men underwear. Don't even try it.
I do. I buy them just to do that.
Yeah, just lounge around. So that pack came in this little, I guess you would call this like a heather gray. The dark gray. I don't know why I'm opening up every one of them. Yeah. I remember when me and Tony first started dating, I would wear his underwear like all the time. Take him home, everything. He like, girl, can you stop? And it came with the black. So that's that. And then I got one of these foot masks. A pack of the foot masks. They look like this. I like to use these like on my pamper days. I've showed these before. You guys always ask where I get them from, so you can get them from either Amazon or TJ Maxx. I don't know if Ross would have them, but
Yeah, I might have them too.
and then I'm gonna show y'all what Kalila got because I'm all in her business. So she just got some of these polo t-shirts. These are the scrunchies that she chose. Just to match her scrubs and stuff when she at work. And then she bought these jeans. They have like the little rip detail, which are so cute. And then she found some of these Juicy Couture sandals. They're real cute. Kalila has a really small foot, but these she had to get in the 8.5. This part right here is always like tight, so you have to go up a size, but they're really cute. Can y'all see them? Let me see. Let me get y'all to focus on them. Those are cute. So yeah, so now we're headed to, if y'all wondering what's in my back seat, I did not buy anything else. I did not buy a mirror. I'm giving Kalila one of my old mirrors that's been in my storage. So you want to sit this over there? So now we're going to Target to take my jeans back that I picked up yesterday, and we're gonna do some Starbucks, right?
Okay.
And then I'm dropping her off, and then I'm coming back home so I can relax because I'm still not feeling my best. So I'll see y'all at Target. All right, y'all, so we're at Target. I'm gonna take y'all to the decor section to see if they have anything. They hardly ever have anything in this Target. So I'm gonna take these pants back, get some Starbucks, and then we're going home. All right, y'all, so we're in Target decor section. And it's pretty much the same stuff that they had. This is kind of cool. They still have those. I like this. This is cute. And let's see. Oh, this is cute. So tray. What else do they have? This little bowl right here. I like this. Oh, it's heavy too. This is cute. This is $30. And they have these. These are kind of cute. They have these little wicker ones. And they still have that little bench. I thought about getting this bench. And I do like it. It's cute. And then they have this. This is kind of cool. I love this. This is so cute. You like this, Kalila? How much is it? 25? You're not into the decor, huh? She like, I don't know. Yeah, that is cute. I like this. It's nice. So y'all, I made it back home. So I'm getting ready to drink a glass of Theraflu and just relax a little bit until it's time for me to go pick up my son. So I know this vlog was a little short, but it is what it is. I didn't have too much going on today. So I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye, y'all.